Hello everyone, welcome to Cuboid Forms Study Circle. Today I will discuss about upcoming RRB pharmacist examination in 2025. It's a very helpful in this section. Top MCQs, it's a very helpful all subjects. It's a very upcoming examination in your RRB pharmacist. So let's start the today section MCQs. First question: protein is a synthesized built from 1. Carbohydrates, 2. Hormones, 3. Lipids, 4. Amino acids. Correct option is option 4. Amino acid. Amino acid. Okay. So amino acids, proteins like are a macromolecules. Okay. It is a amino acid helpful in protein. Macromolecules are one or more long chain of amino acids and residues. Okay, this is called as protein. So protein synthesis is built from amino acids. Correct option is option 4, amino acids. Second question: the plasma membrane of human cells. 1. A member that contains its cell surface. 2. Double layer of carbohydrate enclosing of the cell. 3. Single cell layered cell membrane. 4. A double layer of phospholipids. Correct option is 4. A double layer of phospholipids. Okay. So the plasma membrane of human cells is a double layer. Okay, double layer. It's a plasma membrane in human cells are double layer of phospholipids, also known as cytoplasmic membrane, and consist of phospholipids bilayer. So plasma membrane, it's a very helpful double layer phospholipids. So what are the double layers in phospholipids? Phospholipid as the cytoplasmic membrane, and next phospholipids bilayer. Okay, this is the embedded of proteins. So the plasma membrane, the human cells is correct option is a double layer phospholipids. Okay, next question: cells are compound of carbon and hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. Second, hydrogen, carbon and sodium and potassium. 3. Sodium, potassium, calcium and carbon. 4. Nitrogen, oxygen and calcium of carbon. Correct option is carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. Cells are mainly compound of which compounds present in cells? Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, CHNO. Okay, it is a very helpful in cells and composed of cells and composed of the hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Almost 99%. How much percentage of 99% of cell is made up elements. Okay, up elements, oxygen and nitrogen and carbon and hydrogen. This is the cells are composed of carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, Fourth question. The movement of fluid between compartments is regulated by 1. Osmotic and hydrostatic pressure, 2. glomerular filtration rate, 3. ATP, 4. Parathyroid hormone. Correct option is osmotic and hydrostatic pressure. So the movement of fluid between compartments is regulated by the osmotic and hydrostatic pressure. Helpful of which pressure involvement in movement of fluid? Osmotic and hydrostatic pressure. Osmotic normally osmotic and hydrostatic pressure normally is a osmotic in high concentration to low concentration, and it is a pressure are dependent on capillary and intestinal osmotic and hydrostatic pressure. Okay, the correct option is osmotic and hydrostatic pressure is the correct option. Okay, fifth question. Active transport system utilizes A. Adenotriphosphate, and 2. Acid bicarbonate buffer, and 3. Hydrogen ions, 4. Phosphate buffer. Correct option is ATP. Okay, so ATP is a source of energy in active transport need. Active transport need to energy. So active transport system utilizing ATP. The correct option is ATP. Okay. Sixth question. Phagocytosis means cells. What's the means of phagocytosis? 1. Producing of energy, 2. Drinking water, 3. Replicating, 4. Going to mitosis. So phagocytosis what do? The correct option is drinking water. So phagocytosis is a drinking of water, is a cell eating. Okay, so the correct option is drinking water. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next question. The fluid portion of the body is 1. CSF, 2. cytosol, 3. plasma, 4. lymph. Correct option is 3. plasma. Plasma is the correct answer. So plasma is it's made up of about 5% of total blood volume. The correct option is the fluid portion of the body is plasma. Correct answer is 3. plasma. Eighth question. One purpose of lymph node is to 1. Trap macrophages, 2. Trap antigens, 3. Trap antibodies, 4. Trap hormones. Correct option is trap antigens. Okay, trap antigens. So trap antigens like a lymph nodes consist of lymph fluid. Lymph node and lymph fluid is having lymphocytes and the type of WBS. Type of WBS and trap antigen. Okay, it's a lymph nodes is a small glands that make WBC, white blood cells, and lymph nodes may be trap the germs and responsible for infection. The correct option is trap antigens itself full of lymph nodes. Okay, correct option is 2, trap antigens. Ninth question, which are the following functions of epithelium tissue? 1, absorption, 2, protection, 3, secretion, 4, all of the above. So, which of the following are the functions of epithelium tissues? Okay, correct option is all of the above. All of the above. They are helpful is absorption and protection and secretion of functions of the epithelium tissue. Okay, all of the above the protect the tissue from the radiation and desiccation and the toxic as poisonous. It's a secrets of various hormones in the bloodstream and also present in the intestine which help in absorption. Okay, the correct option is the all of the above. 10th question, which of the following statement is true? 1, squamous epithelium cells are cube shaped and stratified epithelium consists of the single layer of cells. 3, stratified cuboidal epithelium will have multiple layers of cells. 4, simply columnar epithelium will have flat and layers of the cells. The correct answer is stratified cuboidal epithelium will have multiple layers of cells. Okay, this is the statement is the true. Okay, because stratified cuboidal epithelium have a multiple layers of cells, and stratified epithelium differs from the simple epithelium in that the multi-layered sequence cells and have the appearance of the flat plate. The correct answer is 3. 11th question, which is the most evident tissue in human body? 1, epithelial, 2, connective, C, nervous, 2, muscle. Which tissue? The correct option is connective tissue. Okay, so evident tissue in the human body, what type? Connective tissue. Connective tissue are the most evident tissue in the our body. So it is a widely distributed in the body. It is a widely distributed in body. Okay, so it is a group of tissue in the body that maintain the forms of the body, and it organ provides and cohesion and internal support. Internal internal support. Okay, the correct option is 2. 12th question, which tissue type the greatest capacity in the regenerate? 1, muscle, 2, nervous, 3, connective, 4, epithelial. Greatest capacity degenerate tissue, which tissue? Epithelial tissue. Okay, epithelium tissue. So epithelium tissue is a small wounds like injuries, and the epithelium tissue often heal with normal tissue. It's helpful of the regenerate, helpful in this which tissue? Epithelium tissue. It's a very helpful. Okay. 13th question, which division of the nervous system and include the brain? Autonomic nervous system, central nervous system, and peripheral nervous system, and somatic nervous system. Correct option is central nervous system. So CNS has consist of brain and spinal cord. Brain and spinal cord. Okay, correct option is the CNS. 14. Which part of the nerve receives from information? 1. The node of Ranvier, the male and sheath. Next one, the axon, the dendrite. Okay. So this is the nerve cell in our body. Okay. So the correct option is that the dendrite. So dendrite is a receives the information and the information that transmitted along axons and the form of electrochemical nerve impulse. Dendrite, the structure is the neuron receives electrical message. This is the message come to basic forms excitatory and inhibitory. Excitatory and inhibitory. Okay. So correct option is dendrite. 15th question. Which is the example for neurotransmitter? Dopamine, acetylcholine, norepinephrine, and all of the above. Correct option is all of the above. This is all. Dopamine and acetylcholine is a norepinephrine. It's a neurotransmitters. Okay. Helps in transferring the what help of neurotransmitters? Transferring the message and across synapses and neurotransmitters and the endogenous and the chemicals that transmit signals and snaps from one neuron to another target neuron, one neuron to another neuron. Next question. How many ventricles does the brain have? 1 2 3 1 2 2 4 3 3 4 5. Option correct answer is 4. 4 is a 4 ventricles in. Okay. Heart and brain both have. Heart and brain both same four chambers of parts. There are 4 ventricles. They are named 2 lateral ventricles and third ventricles and fourth ventricles. Okay, 2 lateral ventricles, third ventricle and fourth ventricle. So how many ventricles does the brain have? 4. Correct option is 2. 4. 17 question. Which one of the brain is responsible of the awareness of the sensation? 1. The cerebellum. 2. The sensor area of the cerebrum. 3. The premier motor region of cerebrum. 4. Thalamus. Correct option is the sensor area of the cerebrum. So sensor area of the cerebrum, it's a responsible of the awareness of the sensation. Okay, and the premier sensor areas of the cerebral cortex and receive the process and visual and auditor and somato and sensor and gustatory and olfactory information. So cortical areas, and this is a brain region synthesize of the sensor information into the our precipitation in the all around use. Okay, the correct option is the 2. Next question. Which cranial nerve is responsible for eye movement? 1. Oculomotor. 2. Vag. 3. Olfactor. 4. Trigeminal. Correct option is oculomotor. So oculomotor is the ophthalmic. Ophthalmic is related to eye. So ocular nerve has the additional function to control the control the pupil. Okay, so oculomotor is a eye movement, it's a responsible. The correct answer is 1. Next question, how many pairs and spinal nerves are there? 1. 28 pairs, 2. 30 pairs, 3. 29 pairs, 4. 31 pairs. Correct answer is the 31 pairs. So 31 pairs is the grouped into the corresponding in 8 pairs of cervical, 12 pairs of thoracic, 5 pairs of lumbar, okay, another 5 pairs of sacral, and 1 pair of coccygel pairs. So there are totally 31 pairs. Okay, so 8 pairs of cervical and 12 pairs of thoracic and 5 pairs of lumbar and 5 pairs of sacral and 1 pair of coccygel. There is a totally 31 pairs in spinal nerves. Okay, correct answer is 4, 31 pairs. So next question, what substance does aldosterone directly regulate in the concentration of? 1. Potassium, 2. Sodium, 3. Phosphorus, 4. Calcium. The correct option is sodium. So sodium plays in central role of regulation of the blood pressure. So correct answer is sodium. Okay, so thank you everyone. Please like, share, subscribe in Cuboid Forms Study Circle. Thank you so much.